Right here, I'm just demonstrating the chiropractic adjusting tool. This is the choice of most veterinarians and a lot of chiropractors when they adjust dogs. You'll see that most of the small animal veterinarians use the chiropractic adjusting tool in their office if they utilize chiropractic. Now, using the chiropractic adjusting tool is very easy. Only thing that dogs don't like about it sometimes is the clicking sound that it makes. Sometimes it disturbs them, but it's a very easy thing to use. Just contact, it's simple contact on the points that I'm showing you right here, and then squeeze. Very light pressure is used. And again, this pattern is used to prevent canine hip dysplasia, and it really works.